Howdy friends, today's unboxing togood.com mobile phone MI Redmi Note 4. Today I purchased this one MI Redmi Note 4. This quality is super. First unboxing togood.com Redmi Note 4. Before I start the video, please like the video and subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Do not forget to start unboxing. If you need more video like this unboxing, check in the top playlist for more videos. This is our phone. Oh my god, I get original box also. Good for too good as well. We already used an unbox before, one day before I'm. It's a video, that's why I'll make again one time. So I want to live unboxing. This unboxing, inside mobile phone, a charger, original charger I get Redmi 4. USB type, USB micro USB, sorry, the cable. Inside I get some user manual and togood.com warranty cards. togood.com warranty cards. Hustler warranty. This is your user manual. Fitting everything. Complete form. Check out form before. Alright, little real small scratches. See, look at it here. Zooming. Small scratches only. No anything broken, anything. A temporal glass was already there. Keep it there. See. Yesterday I get this one. Yesterday I already unboxed this one from. Check the clarity from camera quality. Good shutter speed. It's running Android Nougat. The MI 10 is running, see, version. Yesterday everything update. 4GB RAM, have 64GB internal memory. Snapdragon 625 this is a processor. Snapdragon 625 is good processor, not anything hitting a issue also this one. Charging also very fast also this one. Battery backup is very good. No doubt about battery backup with the Redmi MI Note 4. Thanks for Redmi Note 4. The custom UI is MI UI 10. Look at that Android version. Android Nougat. Too many cell phone I purchased in togood.com, but this cell phone only little bit has scratches. Otherwise this cell phone is very good. The price I give this one 5,200 rupees. The super quality. Before I get the Redmi Note 4 also, Redmi Note 4 Pro also something 5,000 rupees I get offer. Good opportunity. Okay guys, like and video, subscribe my channel. Please share this video. Do not forget to share this video. Please do not forget to anything a question, please question in the comment section. I'll give you answer. You want to purchase this one, I'll give you link.